people. So this is the movie Chichore's review. The Shraddha Kapoor and Sushant Singh Rajput starrer. Oh my God! Like honestly, after Three Idiots, this is one film. As much as the title says Chichore, it is one of the most profound films you can see. Like, there are very few times that I'm speechless. I mean, as you all might have seen in my thousand odd videos that I've uploaded, I am not particularly a very silent person. I'm very talkative. But when you see a movie like Chichore, it's like you're speechless for a few minutes after the film, because the kind of message that Chichore is trying to convey, that sometimes trying is the most important thing there is. I mean, winning and losing is secondary, but trying something is one thing that counts. So, I mean, the message was so beautiful that this is a film that you should watch like again and again, because it is just so brilliant. Shraddha Kapoor, Sushant Singh Rajput, I mean the entire star cast. Tahir Bhasan, he was the, I just remember him as the freaky character in the movie Mardangi, the Rani Mukherjee starrer. But seriously, people, Chichore, you'll just have to go and watch it. So, on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.